Hello there. Today's little project, I've got quite a few small pieces of stainless steel offcuts from the local engineering works. I want to make some small stainless steel, there's only 1 mil, so some small components. Well, I haven't got a guillotine, these are cut nicely with a guillotine. Nice to have one, but I tend to use the little angle grinder, these 1 mil cutting discs, very thin, ideal for stainless steel, easy to clean up, and but you've got to hold these, but you need to clamp them to something. The clamps always get in the way, and using the angle grinder freehand, it's okay, but you shower yourself with sparks and mess. And I thought it'd be easy to make a little table with one of these blades in, metal cutting table saw, just for small items. I thought that'd be a neater way. You could set up the square on it and do all sorts of things. So, had a look in the workshop. I've got some nice shafts, arbors, new motors, belts, and I thought, well, why not use the actual angle grinder? So I went out this morning and I haven't opened it yet. It's only second hand. See the condition of it, look lovely. Oh, what's got this? I bought a little angle grinder. I thought, well, it will have the blade holder, the motor, the motor, and so just make it a little table. So I've got a piece of steel, it's not stainless, it's just steel. And I measured up where I want the blade to stick through. And I'll mount that underneath so that the blade comes through a slot that I've cut here. Okay, so we've got little circular saw. That's the little project today, so I'll mount that underneath on a wooden frame. Probably have this nipped up over the blade, and that would be my 18-inch square table saw. That's the plan. Hello! I just complete this video I did yesterday, but what a change! Anyway, I'm in the workshop. A little bit far. It's wet and windy out there, so not very nice. Anyway, regarding the little table saw I made for cutting up stainless steel, it works beautifully for cutting strips and what have you. I'll mark this one. Yes. The video prior to this one, before this one, I showed my introduction to making apple cider, and the little machine I made for crunching or smashing up the apples, scratter, whatever you want to call it. It was quite successful. I showed my mate, and I made a little video on how to make it, and you can go to my website and get. And he said he wanted to make one, and he heard I got loads of scrap, and he says let him have a piece so he could make some blades. So I said, well, I'll make you a pair of blades. Really, that's an excuse I can use my saw. Anyway, a very interesting bloke. I'll take my video camera next time I go and see him. He's got a little orchard there and get scrunch some apples, and he'll give me a shout and some more fallen. I have the fallen ones. And he's an architect, and he makes models, architectural models, and so forth. Very clever bloke, very interesting, and he's made one of the best pantograph profiling, wooden profile I've seen. I've seen a few on YouTube, but this is really great. It has a rise and fall table, foot operated pen lift, well not pen but router lift, and I might get a video. Very interesting. Anyway, made up this little saw using the cheap angle grinder I bought second hand. Let's see if that's on or not, I don't know. It is. So I'll just cut these two blades out. Noisy in here. Will I get another one out of that? Yes I will. Anyway, I only wants two. These will be cleaned up. They'll be drilled and they'll be folded and they'll be sharpened. So I'll be pleased with that. Let's get you some more apples. Okay, so how did I make this? Well, no prizes with the woodworking. It's just a simple little saw. Look, you can see how I've made it. Nothing too technical. The angle grinder is mounted on a bracket that goes into the handle hole, and the same bracket the other side. So it's nice and secure, and I can easily change the blades and watch the direction of cut. And that's all that's required. So there's nothing very special, but it's nice and solid, and it'll do the trick. Now, the advantage of cutting up little pieces like this using a flat saw, if you've got more control, you haven't got to clamp it and all the rest of it. And another big advantage is you don't get holes in your pullover. I'm always a light and putting myself out, you know, so this will be quite handy. So I'll complete these. When dealing with this stuff, the edges are extremely sharp. Should have really worn me gloves. You can hear a lot of crackling on. It's because I've lit me fire behind behind the camera. Well, it is October after all. Anyway, I thought you'd like to see that. It's something a little bit different. You don't need plans, do you? Of course you don't. Thank you for watching.